Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be seeing the preview of match 9 between Kings 11 Punjab versus Rajasthan Royals to be held at Sharjah. As you guys are all aware, Sharjah Stadium is like a bit tiny stadium, so we can expect a big run feast in this match. Even in last match, there were like 33 sixes scored, which was joint highest number of sixes. Starting with Rajasthan Royals team, no one expected them to beat Chennai Super Kings with such a huge margin. They came like underdogs without Jos Buttler and Ben Stokes, but with the beautiful innings from Sanju Samson, they were able to beat CSK convincingly. Kings 11 Punjab had also a pretty decent start to the tournament. First match, even though they lost, they came up from a very bad position and it went till super over. And in the second match, they were able to defeat RCB with an excellent innings from the captain KL Rahul. So both the teams will be trying to get their second win in this match. So let's see the predicted playing 11 of both the teams in the next upcoming segment. Finally guys, the Universal Boss is back into the team. I'm expecting Gale will be playing in this match. Since Gale is playing, they need to sacrifice a foreign player and I feel Nisham would be the scapegoat. They may try to add the bowling strength and I feel Ishan Poral will be making into the squad since he has a very good domestic record. Let's see the predicted playing line of Rajasthan Royals team. Since Jos Buttler is playing, they need to sacrifice a foreign player and I feel Tom Curran would be dropped and Karthik Tyagi may be replace him. Karthik Tyagi had an excellent under-19 World Cup and he may debut in this match and we wish him all the success in IPL as well. Next segment is Trump Card. In this segment, we will be seeing who will be the trump card for each of the team. The trump card player for Kings 11 Punjab team is Glenn Maxwell. Everyone was expecting something big from Maxi on the last two matches, but unfortunately that didn't happen. But I feel in this match we can expect something big from Maxwell, both with the bat and ball. My trump card player for Rajasthan Royals is Jos Buttler. Buttler was in very good form in England vs Australia 2020 series and I believe he will be carrying the same form in IPL as well. Since Ben Stokes is not available, Jaiswal and Buttler must give a solid opening partnership for Rajasthan Royals team to post a good total. Let's see the predicted winning team in this final segment. First, let's see the plus and minus of both the teams. To start with Rajasthan Royals, the biggest plus is the top 4. Jos Buttler, Jaiswal, Samson and Steven Smith. Buttler being back in the team will help Jaiswal a lot. There was a lot of expectation from Jaiswal on the last match, but unfortunately he was not able to deliver. Jaiswal must try to give most of the strike to Buttler, especially in power play, and Jaiswal can play his anchor role. Talking about Sanju Samson, he played a brilliant innings last match and I don't think we need any words to describe about that. Hope he carries the same momentum in this match as well. Steven Smith also played a brilliant innings last match. He scored 69 odd runs, which was also one of the key factors. Hope he carries the same momentum in this match. Lower middle order is pretty weak for Rajasthan Royals team. Unfortunately, David Miller got a platinum duck in last. So David Miller must take more responsibility and help them to finish the match in a better way. Now coming into the minus of Rajasthan Royals team, their bowling is one of the weak points for them. There is too much dependency on Jofra Archer. Munadkat's 4 overs is also going to be a crucial factor. He always have on and off season. Hope he clicks them for this season. I think the third seam bowler would be Karthik Tyagi and he would be making his debut. Hope he performs well. Now coming to the spin department, Rahul Tewatia and Shreyas Gopal are the key spinners. Tewatia performed very well in the last match, which is a very good sign. Shreyas Gopal is always consistent for Rajasthan Royals team and so they both must be doing a pretty decent job. Now let's see the plus and minus of Kings 11 Punjab team. The biggest plus for the Kings 11 Punjab team is their batting. With Chris Gale also being back, it will more strengthen their batting. The captain KL Rahul will be coming with such a lot of confidence after his brilliant century. Before IPL, he was saying during the interviews that he had very bad nightmares how his batting will be coming in. But after this innings, he must be feeling more confident, which is a very big plus for the Kings 11 management. Mayank Agarwal also had a very good first match. The top order is like pretty strong for them. The weak point for Kings 11 Punjab is their middle order. Nicholas Pooran, though benched Chris Gale for the last 2 matches, he's yet to deliver anything big. He didn't play to his potential in the last 2 matches and I feel this will be his final opportunity and if he fails on Sharjah pitch, he may be benched from the team. As I said earlier, Maxwell is also yet to deliver in the last 2 matches and I hope both Nicholas Pooran and Maxwell will get clicked in this match so that it will help Punjab a lot. Now coming into the Punjab bowling, actually the Punjab bowling looks very weak on the paper, but the bowlers completely outshine the opponent teams on the power play itself. Even Delhi struggled against Kings 11 bowling and lost initial wickets and even RCB were literally struggling at 4 for 3. So I hope the bowlers continue the same performance in this match as well. Considering all these factors, I feel Kings 11 Punjab team has a upper hand to win this match. So I'm going with a 65% probability on favor of Kings 11 Punjab. Thanks everyone for watching this video. For the last 8 matches, I did the pre-match analysis in Tamil, and a lot of my friends gave a feedback to do it in English, and I gave a try. I hope you guys would have enjoyed this video. Please do share your feedbacks in the comment section, and if you have liked it, please do share it with your friends and family.